From the newsroom at news.com.au.
G'day, I'm Andrew Bucklow and this is the latest from the newsroom. It's Wednesday the 17th of March. Australia is sending 8,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine to Papua New Guinea as the island nation battles soaring infection rates. Prime Minister Scott Morrison said he wants more doses sent to PNG after that.
With the support of the PNG government, we are also making a formal request to AstraZeneca and the European authorities to access 1 million doses of our contracted supplies of AstraZeneca, not for Australia, but for PNG, a developing country in desperate need of these vaccines.
The Prime Minister also announced that from midnight tonight, all passenger flights from PNG to Cairns will be suspended for a fortnight. Meanwhile, health authorities will delay providing the AstraZeneca vaccine to those who are sensitive to anaphylactic responses in Queensland. It comes after 4 recipients had alarming allergic reactions to the jab in the last 48 hours. To Western Australia now, a 34-year-old man has been charged with the murder of Rebels bikie boss Nick Martin, who was killed last December. Martin was assassinated by a suspected sniper in front of horrified children during an event at a motorplex. Police believe he was shot from about 300 metres away while attending the event with his wife. To the US now, and Donald Trump says he'd strongly consider running for president again in 2024 if Meghan Markle throws her hat in the ring. Recent reports suggested Markle had met with senior Democrats to help her ambitions to become the first female US president. Here's what Mr. Trump had to say about that on Fox News.
Well, I hope that happens because if that happened, then I think I'd have an even stronger feeling toward running. I'm not a fan of hers. I think that what she talks about the royal family and the Queen, I happen to think I know the Queen, as you know. I've met with the Queen, and I think the Queen is a tremendous person, and I am not a fan of Meghan.
To sport, and Tiger Woods has left hospital after he was injured in a car crash last month. The golfer broke several bones in his lower right leg and had screws and pins inserted into his foot and ankle. In a statement, Woods thanked medical staff and said he'll be recovering at home and working on getting stronger every day. And finally, in showbiz, and radio legend John Laws is in hospital battling an infection. The 85-year-old was hospitalised last week and will undergo a procedure. And just a reminder, if you want to uncover tips and tricks on how to live well, check out How to Be Happy, the podcast, where host Kate DeBrito talks to experts, celebrities and ordinary people about their secrets for a happy life. You can listen on Apple Podcasts or Spotify today. That's it for this episode of From the Newsroom. I'll be back tomorrow morning.
Your headlines from news.com.au.